the SAANVI parents here.
We are very happy that she's been selected for International Books of Records. She made a record by solving 13 Rubik's Cube in less than 6.5 minutes.
We congratulate her and look forward for more and more records, SAANVI. Love
Love you.
God bless
God
you.
bless you.
Super Talented Kid, a biggest platform to explore kids' talent. A proud moment to make your kid recognized worldwide. An opportunity to get honored in an award show. Also get a chance to meet and greet with Bollywood celebrity. Apply now. Log on to www.internationalbookofrecords.com and for more details call 9646 803875 7973 222208. Super Talented Kid, one in a million.